Hi, I'm Jamie, Fort Vancouver Library's experiential learning librarian. Today we're going to make face masks using household materials.
Face masks, which you can make from materials around the house, are meant to protect those around you from catching your germs. All of the masks we make in these projects have at least 2 layers of fabric between your face and the outside world. Many of these designs also allow for a filter to be added for extra protection.
Your household materials can be a sock, an old pair of leggings, an old t-shirt, a bandana, paper towels. There's lots and lots of different things you can use to make a simple face mask for going out in public. We're going to keep in mind whenever we're making our face mask that we want to make sure our material is wide enough that it covers our nose and our mouth. So I like to think of it as the Triforce if you're into Zelda. So I want to make sure that this area all gets covered. So my nose and both sides of my mouth, that makes up the Triforce. So when you test out masks, you want to make sure that you've got all of this area covered.
Today's project is an origami foldable mask. You will need a large square shape of material and 2 elastics. You can use a variety of materials for this project. You're looking for something that's 12 inches by 12 inches, a standard bandana size. Regular size paper towels work great for this, or 2 of the select size rectangles, those will work. You can also use old t-shirt fabric, an old dish towel, and I do have an old bandana here. I'm going to demonstrate how to fold an origami face mask using a paper towel. Again, the instructions are the same for any type of material you're using. In addition to your square piece of fabric, you're going to need 2 elastics. I'm going to use rubber bands, but you can use hair ties or even the elastics off of socks. These all make really good ear loops. I'm using 2 paper towels laid together. I'm going to fold them in half just so I can find the center of the paper. Then I'm going to take both edges and fold them up to meet in the center. The folded side of the paper towel is what's going to go against your face. So the non-folded side is the front. We're going to take a rubber band and put it over one side of the paper towels, pulling it down to about 1/3 of the way onto the set of paper towels. And you're just going to fold the paper towel over the rubber band. We're going to repeat this for the other side. Make sure to do the Triforce check. If your mask doesn't meet the Triforce check, you can pull the rubber bands a little bit further away to make more space for your face. Once things are the way you want them, you can tuck the ends of the paper towel into the other one, and it kind of holds it together in a nice little package. You can hot glue it if you want to keep it together. You could also use a stapler and staple it if you want to keep those edges all together. This is our basic origami mask. Now you just pull on the elastics and pull them over your ears. Do the Triforce check. Let's try this on. If you want to add an extra layer of protection, you can add a removable filter to this mask. These filters are meant for one-time use. Possible filter materials include paper towels, coffee filters, and facial tissue. You can customize the fit of your mask by adding an adjustable nose wire. There's lots of materials you can use to make a nose wire. Pipe cleaners are pretty good. I've used a lot of paper clips because they're really easy to find and the metal unbends and they're really great to shape around the nose. But I find that these plastic flexible tabs from bags, like these coffee bags, make the best nose guard. They're comfortable and flat and they're easy to shape, so it makes it really easy to use these. These are definitely my favorite. To add a nose wire to this mask, unfold the mask and align the nose wire with the upper crease in the mask. Fold the fabric back over, put your rubber band back on, and then fold it all back up together. Once the wire's in place, you can then shape it so it fits around your nose. If you wear your mask for a while, you may notice it's uncomfortable around your ears. You can make a custom ear saver from cardboard to pull the ear loops away from your ears. Look for that video on YouTube. Have fun and keep making. We hope to see you at the library soon. Bye!